Okay, parents, so we're going to set up by adding drops of this colored liquid into these little dipping stations. And it's important not to over dilute like we did here, but to just put, like, you'll obviously put more than this in here, but you'll put a bunch of drops of this in here and a tiny bit of water. Then you'll have that dipping station set up. You'll have each of the kids have one of these coffee filters. And you'll have them fold it up. They can either fold it in half again, like that. And then they'll come and they'll dip in the different water stations. Or you can have them fold it like this, which we'll do for this example.
Like the pizza kind.
And then when they get it folded like that, you'll have them folded in half again, and then in half again. And then they'll go and experiment. So here we've got 3 different colors. Let's say we start out, before we start dipping, you'll want to have them mist this so that it will adhere to the paper a little more. And so it's a little wet. And so now then they'll take and they'll dip a corner here, and you'll see that it's absorbed in. They'll dip another corner here, and maybe they'll dip this yellow here. And we'll dip it on the other side too. And then, very carefully, and they'll get dirty, but this will wash off. Very carefully, you'll have them unwrap this, because this will break and rip pretty easily. You'll unwrap. You'll have them put their name on a paper. And tell them this is a nice experiment in being patient. So once they get it, unwrap.
Because it got updated, but this one always updated.
We're almost there.
Okay, I need a pop over just to American Revolution, just need to check.
Okay.
Are you videoing this?
It looks like this.
So,
You'll have them write their name down here, and then place this on top to dry. And
again,
then
Sophie, the scissor, we'll just use theirs, right?
Do they have scissors?
you're done. Now it's got to dry, and then we're going to add to it, once it dries,
Do you want them to
some
use
piping
scissors?
to make something like this.
I think it's classroom.
Classroom scissors.
And that is the project.
I'm getting some of the practice.